In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email using Salesforce in just 5 minutes. As we walk through this process, I'll guide you step by step with a focus on making each part as clear as possible. First things first, we'll need to access Salesforce. Open your web browser and head to the Salesforce homepage. Once there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a login section there. This is where we'll be gaining entry into the Salesforce environment. If you're already familiar with your login details, go ahead and enter them. Otherwise, take a moment to ensure you have the right credentials on hand. After you've successfully logged in, you'll see your Salesforce dashboard. On the left side, you'll find a column of options, and among them is something labeled Contacts. Go ahead and click on that. Contacts are the heart of Salesforce. This is where you'll find all your customer data neatly organized and ready for action. If you're not seeing your contacts, you might need to adjust your display options to recent so you can access the list of your most recently viewed contacts. Now let's select the contact you're planning to email. Simply click on their name. This will take you to their details page. Once you're there, look around for a small email icon. It's usually situated in a fairly visible spot on the contact's information page. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up an email composition window directly within Salesforce. It's here that we craft our message. Take a moment to think about what you want to communicate. Whether it's a friendly check-in or essential business information, make sure your message is clear and succinct. You'll find all the usual formatting options to help give your email that polished professional look. Take advantage of those tools to enhance your message, making it visually appealing as well as informative. Once you've composed your message and double-checked all the details, look for the Send button. It's the final touch to seal the deal. Clicking it will shoot your message off into the digital world, landing right in your contact's inbox. And there you have it. Sending an email using Salesforce is a straightforward process once you know your way around. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful in guiding you through the steps needed to efficiently communicate with your contacts via Salesforce. Thank you for watching, and if you found this helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit from it as well.